Hello, good morning everybody. My name is Matteo Bonente. I'm a partner in PwC Italy, and I'm here today with our clients, one of our major clients, ENGIE.
Thank you, Matteo. Nice to meet you. I'm Alberto Grassi, and I'm the CRM supervisor in ENGIE Italia.
Great. So let's kick off this session. I will start with a question for Alberto. Alberto, how was the ENGIE journey on Data Cloud so far?
Hi, Matteo. The ENGIE journey started with a why. Why we start? We start because everything was changing in our market, in the energy sector. Our customers were changing their behavior, their method of payment, anything. So we need to know them better. We need to understand how to contact them and personalize the communication towards this kind of customer. The renewal with the new energy cost is very tough point. So we need to understand how to accompany them in this journey. So we need to choose something, a new tool to empower ourselves. And we found out that Data Cloud was the answer to that. And thank you to PwC for guiding us to this solution. We start our journey by piloting the Data Cloud. The piloting was a journey that started us in 2021, take some months to roll out, and we are now fully operating in Data Cloud from 1 year and a half. And this is how we start the journey, but it's not yet ended.
Okay, great. If I remember correct, I think that when our team were working together, one of the key points of the projects were how to design in the right way the data model. So are you happy to tell us how your data model looks like now?
Better. I will show you.
Okay.
At least a part of it. So design the data model is the challenges. So when we start, we don't know what we have to do, but we know what we want to achieve. So here come in place the trust in the team, how we work together, IT, partner, PwC, and our business. This was the key to understand the needs of the IT, but also of the business, to gain a data model that could be flexible enough to be modified, to create a new connection with our information, and so we can really understand any touch point with all the data we have in the CRM, but not only in the CRM, because one of the most powerful topics to discover together, Matteo, was we don't have only the CRM data, we have the invoicing data, we have everything related to the cases, the call center, anything. We have a lot of information on our customer, but they're not aggregated. So we need to redesign all this information to create a new connection, a new data set where we can really look forward.
Great. And it's 1 year and a half now that you are live. What have been the benefits so far?
Yeah, correct. The benefit. First of all, time to market. Before Data Cloud come to join, before PwC and Salesforce come to help us with this solution, we struggling a little to create a customer journey that is really tailored, personalized, whatever. But with Data Cloud and the new connection we created, now we're starting to create really fast the journey we need. So we can understand the needs, the payment method, we need to understand if there is some cases open, everything. And we develop this kind of journey in just 1 week. So we can really go faster with that. Before we have only the CRM information, we have the Marketing Cloud before the Data Cloud. But with Marketing Cloud, we really use only the CRM data. Now we have unified 5 different sources to the Data Cloud, and we can really, really enjoy the power of this tool.
And what about the relation between the IT and the business thanks to this new solution, right? Are the relationship better now?
Yeah, the relationship was really, really better because this journey brings us to create a unique team that's really help us to create trust between us, between the IT and the business, and we were also able to amplify our IT understanding of the business need. So yeah, it was a journey that really shaped our way of working on it.
Great. What is the next chapter? I know that ENGIE is an innovator by definition. So what about this hot topic, the AI?
Yeah, I think that's it is the second day I'm here, and the AI is more or less everywhere. So we also start thinking about the AI. The point is how we could think about the AI in our environment. What we need to see in the AI, and our strategy is to use the AI not to do something for us, but within us. We'd like to have a powerful assistant for our customer, for our internal agent that can really improve our work, not to do something for us, but with us. That's our way of thinking about the AI.
Okay. And have you already identified, I know that you are, let's say, in a discovery phase right now. Have you already identified some use cases that, in your opinion, are relevant for your industry?
Yeah, we define 3 different buckets of way to think about the AI. The first is to empower the business. Obviously, without the business empowerment, any use case doesn't take place. So we need to create something that can really improve how we could get in touch in the right moment with the right customer to propose the right solution for them. So we want to tailorize in real time the proposition to that customer and engage him with next best action that really fit his situation. We want to read the state of this customer in that real moment, what he's telling us to the phone, what is the previous situation, and with all of this information, using the AI to suggest us, okay, this is the right next action to do with this customer. So this is the first point where we're starting. Then the other one is empowering the call center agent. Because to be honest, we want to try the AI, we want to really try to understand what it could do for us, but we won't start internally. Because we really want to taste it with ourselves, with the people that really work with customer every day. That is our call center agent. To do that, we already start our journey by completely redefine our knowledge base. We have rebuilt all our knowledge base information to fit in the Salesforce knowledge base. So we can also activate Einstein to suggest the right document in the right time for the right customer. We want to have some support for the customer, for the call center agent, in order to avoid to search for documentation. Really use that time to sympathize with the customer, to create a connection with him. And this is the first step, because we all know, without data, AI cannot be placed. So our data need to be there before doing anything. Then we want to start with the journey to use AI in order to summarize information, to understand the voice of the customer, the sentiment, to create this kind of deep understanding of what is happening in our internal condition. So this is the second step, and this is where we are looking forward to start in order to taste taste what AI can do. With PwC, we start a journey to discover what are the potential, what we could really do. We already think about some real use case where we can really understand something, and yeah, that's where we are looking forward. And the third one, where we want to really arrive, is to empower the customer. Empower the customer with self-service, because there are many customers that don't want to spend time, hour to book a phone. They want to do themselves what they need. But sometimes it's difficult. Sometimes in the energy, if you receive a bill, it's not so easy to understand what you are paying for. You receive a lot of costs that you don't get it. And sometimes these costs are also quite difficult to catch why are like that. So we'd like to use the AI to empower the customer to understand what they are doing with us, what they need, and also create a situation and connection to really start some journey to do things by themselves in our system. So this is the idea we have. We will start with simple simple when we really get it to place, but let's see, to website enhancement, FAQ enhancement. These are already something, because you as a customer already experience it. Sometimes going to the FAQ on a website, on an energy website, maybe is not so easy to understand where you are and what you have to do. So we really want to go there.
Okay, great. So summarizing, you're saying first 2 use cases for the employee, test the water, see everything it works well. If there is some cost reduction thanks to the use of this new technology, and then direct to consumer tools like reading the bill or other new stuff for the future is the way to go, and the way in which you see the future. So we have talked about the journey so far, the future, the innovation. In your opinion, what is your key takeaway for going ahead with all the things that are going on, like AI and so on?
Okay. The takeaway is, let me say, quite straight. Innovation, tools, strategy, they need to go everything in one way. They have to be bound together, because the vision needs to be supported by tools. But what really makes the difference is the trust in the team, the partner you choose to do that. We choose PwC in this case. And the point is really create a connection inside the team. Business, IT, partner need to stay on the same table every time, and they need to talk together to understand what is the final target is. Because it's not a straightforward journey. There is a lot of waves. There is a lot of things that could happen. But if you have a team that trusts itself, that really work in order to create and reach that target, you can do it.
Great. So thank you, Alberto. Great pleasure. Thanks for having us.
Thank you, Matteo.
And have a nice Dreamforce.
Thank you all.
Bye.